Hey guys, Ralph Yakonski at Preferred Plumbing. A couple of our guys are getting ready to roll out to a job. Let's go see how that looks. Oh, and here they are. Prepping their truck, loaded up the material, ready to go. So one of our trucks that we haven't wrapped yet due to supply chain issues, our brand colors, the vinyls are not available yet, but these are two of our phenomenal service technicians that are heading out right now. And yeah, we're gonna wish them luck. Guys, thanks for giving it 100% always. Awesome. We'll see you guys.